Hello, welcome to Upkeep in a Jeep, and this is the stay-at-home special edition. Today, if you're wondering what I'm doing in the bathroom, I'm going to be putting in this Luxe Bidet Neo 320, because if you're like me, you're running low on toilet paper. So here we go. This is going to be how to install, and not use it, but how to install it. This is my at-home toolkit, plus I have this whole set of ratchet wrenches that I'm going to be using. They're really nice. I got them for pretty cheap when Sears Craftsman was open down the street. This toolbox. This is what comes with it. This one actually, you hook it up to the hot and the cold. Got two different settings, and you can control the pressure up and down, so it's a pretty nice one. And we've got a connection to the cold water at the toilet bowl, and the hot water you have to run to the sink. Alright, so first turn the water off, then undo this one. There we go. Don't cross thread it. Next, you pop these off, unscrew it here, which I already did. And then you're gonna put this piece somewhere here. These adjust. Cold side. Next, you attach the hot side. Alright, onto the hot water. Just on this side. Turn it off. So it comes with this handy dandy miniature Teflon tape. I don't think it's going to need it because everything has a grommet on either side, but if it does, then I can take it apart and put it in. Alright, now that you cut it to length, put that right there, and swing around. There's a barb on there. There it is. I ended up putting Teflon tape because there was a leak, and maybe still, I guess not. But I saw that if you back this off, because the grommet actually gets squished in there and past where it's supposed to be seated, then it starts leaking. So in this case, less is more. We're gonna see if this thing works. Is it gonna work? Huh? Oh, it works.